Hi everyone and welcome to Ali's Kitchen. Today we are going to make some wonderful decorated biscuits. So here are some that I've already made. This one is a pretty flower and I've made a smiley face one with just some sprinkles on it and some chopped chips. Anyway, we're going to make the icing first and then we'll do some decorating. So the first thing we need is some icing sugar, 1.5 cups. So we'll pop that in. And then we need 2 tablespoons of soft butter. So I've used Meadow-Lee today. And we just pop that in. That's 1. And 2. And in there, and then we just give that a bit of a stir first. You can see the butter is starting to go through all the icing sugar. Now it's starting to all come together. You can see that it's getting a little bit yellower now. That's all the butter mixing in. There we go. Going to add a little bit of milk to that. This is a tablespoon. Oh, we won't put it all in. Just put maybe half in to begin with. And then give that a mix. Just mixing up nicely now. I might just put a tiny little bit more milk in that, not much. Just a bit more. I want to be able to spread it onto our bickies. That's looking pretty good now. So it looks good. So the next thing we need is some colour in that. So last time I made some nice pink ones. So today I might go for blue. So just put a few drops of food colouring in, like that. Mix all the food colouring in. Oh, that's going nice and blue. Mix it all in. So we will go over now to our biscuits, so we're just going to use some milk arrowroot biscuits for this. And I just turn it over and get some icing sugar, just flatten it down with another spoon. There we go. Got some on my So for our decorations, I've just got some hundreds and thousands, or this is a packet of $5s with all different colours. I've got some little mini marshmallows, some mini M&Ms, and some chopped chips. So we might start with some sprinkles. That always looks good. And sprinkle them on. We'll do 2 with sprinkles. There we go. And then we might put some marshmallows on. You can do whatever you like. Let's give him a marshmallow smiley mouth. We might put some little mini M&Ms on. You can have a couple of red eyes. There. Or you could just put some M&Ms all over it. And then you just keep going until you've got some beautiful ones, just like these ones.